Hello guys, this is Heldi and today we're going to show you how to do a basic upgrade on your system if you are aiming for something mid-rangey for a workstation. Basically we have here on the far end our old workstation, which we are going to upgrade with the components that we have back here, as you can see. And the thing is that the basic thing that we need to do with our project today is that basically we want to have a proper workstation for our friend Nick, who is also shooting this video right now. So thing is, this is going to be our new workstation and we're going to build on that. And starting, we will actually take everything out of the box for you, show you what's inside, how to actually put them on the motherboard, and then we're going to build it on top of this box here because we want to check if our components are actually working, and we don't want to do some extra steps, like let's say if the components don't work, something doesn't really work, we don't go an extra mile for them to take out of our box here, because that will be extra few minutes for us, which is unnecessary, and we try to avoid that. So going on, we're going to show you how everything is done. Okay, so now guys, we're going to turn on the computer and show you what we're actually working with and show you how big the upgrade is going to be, because right now this computer takes a long while to boot, even with an SSD, because the components are quite old and my friend hasn't had an upgrade for the past 6 years. So let's check what it goes. He's also going to get an upgrade on his Windows because it's running currently a Windows 7 and we're going to Windows 10 and we're going to activate it. And you can actually get Windows 10 keys like very cheap for around $10 on Amazon and other sites, which we can link down below, and that's going to be a huge help for you guys as well, because I know people are still struggling to find keys online for cheap, and I've had a few friends that bought their keys for over $30 or 30 plus euros and stuff. So as you can see, this is still booting, which is not very good, and it takes a long while to actually do a lot of stuff with this computer. And since we want this to be an editing rig, that takes an extra step for my friend Nick to do his stuff, because if he's waiting at least 2 to 3 minutes for his computer to boot up, that's not a good thing. So it's currently running an i5 4460, which is like 4th gen. It's pretty old and it doesn't really do much for him since it's not over 4 threads. He has a good chunk of RAM, but he's kind of lacking in his graphics card. It's quite decent for now. Okay, so as you can see here, cable management is atrocious. I don't know who built his PC. I think it was a professional, but we're gonna do a much better work on this. So let's start this. So now we're gonna try to boot this up. We're not gonna install a hard drive yet because it's not mandatory. It's not very helpful right now. So what we need to do is find our link adapter. Nick will actually need to upgrade to an HDMI cable, but let's see how it goes. Make sure you push gently because give it a bit gently. It's a computer. Find my screwdriver. Just here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna try and sort out our current here so it can actually boot. There you go. Oh, we actually need to turn on our PSU. We saw some slight power coming in, which is good. So there we go. Let's actually see if we post. That's always a good sign. It's gonna restart itself a few times. Yay, we have picture. As you can see here, everything is done. So now, since we know that everything is working, we can actually go with our build. Our build is perfect in my opinion. It went really smoothly. Our cable management is really good. Thank you very much guys for sticking around and watching this tutorial of how we build this PC. If you like this video, down below you will find our links for everything. Liking our video, subscribing and hit that bell button so you keep updated on our new videos. Thank you very much and we'll see you on the next one.